talented, how their capability is coming like this. Not only in the bookish knowledge, not only in the handwriting, and how their development, cognitive development, otherwise their IQ, how they wanted to develop. For that sake, we are doing the new system of education. Next year, we are going to plan a big digital system we are planned to here. And what is, we are giving the syllabus to the agency of the book. They will be giving a special instruction. Continuously they will be checking, analyzing the education, how the development of the child. It's very nice. So, these are things we are doing. Every time we will be going behind the development of the education. Nowadays, you know, already the AI, artificial intelligence is coming to this in the world like this. Robotic system is there. Like our children also wanted to understand what is going on in the present situation. So then we can mold in our children engineer or doctors or some other like this special categories they will be done. So like this the system we are going to follow. And the main thing is that every parent have open book here. All the parents have right to directly communicate to the teachers, otherwise the principal, otherwise manager also, they are ready for to understanding, hearing your words. This is a great thing, sir. This is a good sign of good education. So, I don't want to tell more. First of all, I wanted to thank you all the parents. Children, give a big clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Wow, very nice. This is the children, they are happy now. Because the graduation means they already completed their LKG and UKG. Kindergarten they completed. Now they are going to be in the standard first. Okay. The changes is there coming. So, as our PTA person told like this, you want to understand what is going on here, and you can also inform the teachers, otherwise you are, I know the parents are more ideological parents is here. Many parents are doctors there, many parents are lawyers there, many parents are teachers. We are, the main thing is that we Darul Aman English Medium School from helper to manager is ready for to accepting the word of the parent. It's a great thing. Because without parents we can't do anything. So, thank you for you came here and as a sake of a school, teachers and the side of the management and the side of the PTA, I am giving a great thank for you. I don't want to go more because the graduation, the teachers and the children are ready for to their taking. Thank you. Thank you once again for this occasion and Mr. PTA President and our Vice President, Vice Principal Maya Madam and all other teachers, the one who is done the great effort behind these activities. Thank you. Let me cut short. Have a nice day for you.